Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make matar ki sabji, that is ghugni. See, I have taken ghugni matar over here. I have soaked it in the water. Now I am going to boil this first and then make the ghugni. So come on, let us start the recipe. If you all like my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. I am going to put the salt in it. Put the salt and let it boil. And then I will make the ghugni. I have boiled the peas, matar. I have boiled it. Now I am going to make the ghugni. Put some oil. Put the bay leaves. I will put the green cardamom, some cloves and some darchini. Put the onions. Onions are turned golden brown. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in the saffron. Put in the chili powder. Put in the jeera powder. Masalas are turned brown. Now I am going to put in the matar, the peas which I have boiled. Put the salt to taste. Put the tomatoes. Some garam masala. Cover it up and let it cook for a while. Ghugni is ready to eat. Very tasty, hot. You will enjoy eating it.